What is going on, guys? So today we are talking about Theta. And again, if you guys don't know how this works, I end up doing a price prediction, price basically analysis of it, or technical analysis. We go into what it is, right? White paper, explain what it does it have real world applications, is it a good return on investment? Because the point of this 100 crypto breakdown is to see the top 10 basically that you should invest in it. And as you guys know, after all of this, I will be taking $10,000 each and putting 10,000 in each of the top 10. So that way 100,000 will be invested. And yeah, besides that, let's just get right into it. So we're talking about Theta, currently at $6.71. It is currently ranked right now 29. So as you guys know the drill, we're going to start off here. We're going to go down here to the circulating total and max supply, which is 1 billion. So I already don't like that at all, because that basically means right now its market cap is 6 billion. So that means $10 would be 10 billion, and then $100 would basically be 100 billion. And for it to reach 100 billion, that is actually quite a lot. And don't even get me started on it reaching $1,000. Not happening, because that would mean it's a trillion. And considering the entire market cap right now is $2 trillion, this reaching 1,000, it's not happening, guys. Which kind of sucks. And as we can see here, its highest ever was right under $16. So $16 billion evaluation. But based off of that, right, what is Theta anyways? So we can go over here. You guys can watch this video. It's really just like under 2 minutes long. But basically all Theta is, and it's actually a really good application in my opinion, is that if you're watching a streamer, right, and they take some of your leftover computing power, right, if you already have a perfect stream going on, yet for some reason you're only using 80% of your power in a sense, that other 20% is basically going to go to someone else whose streaming quality isn't that good. Again, you guys can watch the video. It goes a little bit more in depth on that. But that's basically it. Now, my only downside of this, right, is basically one, they didn't really go into the video of how to do it. Obviously, that's a super easy fix. You can go on to YouTube, type in how to set up Theta, plus it's right down here, right? You download, pretty explanatory. Now, I think this would be amazing, right, because they basically pay you in Theta, which kind of explains the billion-dollar token or circulating supply in a sense. But the thing that would make this absolutely amazing, and something they hopefully will look into to expand in the future, is if not just watching streaming or anything like this, because this is like mainly for esports kind of stuff. I'm not really hugely into that, so I don't have much to say on that. But I feel like if they did this so that basically if I'm watching Netflix or something, right, and my streaming or like it's already 100% perfect, right, the video quality, everything like that, then the rest of my computing power goes somewhere else. Or if at night, my computer is just basically on Netflix, that when I shut it off, or I don't even need to, like I have my iMac or whatever, then it takes that computing power and gives it to someone else that has it, and then you get paid out. Because then that way, it's like, right, what do we truly actually do with our computers? For most of us, it's work, YouTube, Netflix, games, right? That's really kind of about it. So, I mean, it really comes down to, you guys can see here on the top, I literally just have YouTube channel 1, 2, 3. I have my podcast. This is where I do my thumbnails. And this is where we have Theta, right? This is where I have my courses, my other courses. So basically, I just downloaded it onto more than one site so I could get more traction. And this is Fiverr, so that way when I need someone to do something for me, I have it right there. So that's kind of what I have on my computer. And then, yeah, I usually just kind of set up like Apple TV to watch Netflix or something from computer or whatever. But yeah, so I feel like if they did it for Netflix and watching YouTube and stuff like that, or when you're not using it at all, then it pays you out, because I feel like that would gain so much more traction so much more quickly. And with that in mind, I could then very realistically and honestly easily see like around, not, I'm not saying $100. That's most likely not going to happen because that'd be 100 billion. But I could very easily see around $25 to $30 for this, if not more. Especially if the payouts, and then maybe they can start burning some. So that would be great because then I could see $50 as the next step. But yeah, realistically, around $30 to $35, I could see Theta going to, which again, from this point on, is not bad at all, right? That's almost a 6 times return. So I would take that any day. And another thing that I'm going to do is I will also be obviously downloading it. I want to test it to see if it's actually good, because obviously if it's not the way that the video makes out, because you guys know that basically videos and stuff like that, it kind of makes it seem better and easier than it actually is. So yeah, but Theta, really good. Good strong price target in a sense, but other than that, that's about it, right? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to keep all of them under 10 minutes. If you guys want some free stuff, don't forget to click the links down below. So if you want to take my course that I have right here, it's super nice. It's also down below. But don't forget to like, comment, and sub, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. And that video is actually going to be HNT, because I finally just got my last shipment of Bobcat miners. So that means I now have 10 total, and I'll be making a video on that. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow with that video. Peace out, guys.